Okay, number 2 builds on what we just learned in number 1. So how this works is you can name the 27th card from the top after random cutting. So we're back to random cutting again. Maybe the spectator says cut there. Okay, so you spot a 2. Okay, so you add 3, so it's 5. What follows the clubs? Hearts, 5 of hearts. So you know, let me just show you, you know that the top card is the 5 of hearts. Well, you actually know more than that, because once you know the identity of the top card, its, quote, companion card will be 27 cards away. What does that mean? Well, if the top card is the 5 of hearts, its companion card is the other red 5, which is the 5 of diamonds, okay? So what that means then is if you count down 27 cards from the top, you'll arrive at the 5 of diamonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you'll arrive at the companion card. The 27th card will be the companion card to whatever the top card is. Okay, same thing here. The king of diamonds would be the 27th card down. Okay, so the way in which you're building on the skill in number 1 is you go ahead and ask the spectator to tell you when to stop right there, and then move. So can you see what I'm doing here? As I move it to the bottom, I can kind of angle it towards me a little bit so I can see it. Once again, they have no idea that this tells you anything. So you see a 7, and you're given just a few seconds to think 7. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. It's hearts now. What follows hearts is spades. So it's 10 of spades. You know, you don't show the top card, right? So we're going to get to the companion card, which is the 27th card down. So you first note this. From here, you deduce, okay, what must the top card be? Without looking at the top card, from there, you deduce where the companion card to this one is, okay? So because this is a 7, we're looking at 10 and then spades for the top. That means 10 of clubs will be the 27th card down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay? Okay, so you're kind of using this skill as a stepping stone to being able to name the 27th card from the top.